What's the data likely to tell us about the inflationary environment in China?
Okay, so we are indeed looking for China's headline inflation, but it eased in December. Now, of course, this is actually partly due to some base effects due to the high numbers similarly the year before. But also we have seen some monthly declines in vegetable and fuel prices, so sequential declines there, which should also help it ease. And, of course, because we continue to see these local COVID-19 outbreaks, this continues to weigh on the service sector prices. So overall, we are looking for a softer number. But if we actually look for the year as a whole, we do actually look for, as we move into further into 22, that CPI should average 2.5%. So that would be up from 1% in 21.
Sian, where does this leave the policy response at the PBOC?
Well, I think inflation, even at 2.5%, this isn't actually the headline inflation. This isn't actually going to be a concern for policymakers. And so their main concern will be to continue to really stabilise growth. So we do actually look for monetary and fiscal policy to become more supportive. We've already seen R cuts. We've seen that 5 basis point cut in the one-year LP. One-year rate, and we are actually expecting that we should see another R cut and small interest rate cut in the first quarter.
And Sian, good morning. Martin here. Great to see you, and belated Happy New Year. The operative word is probably front-loading of stimulus, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's not only in terms of the monetary policy side, because we have seen that economic growth did slow significantly in the last quarter last year, and it's probably going to remain somewhat muted given the downside pressures of both the real estate sector and, of course, consumption remaining fairly tepid given that zero COVID policy.